Praise be to Andy Burnham, the man who has solved the cost of living crisis in the UK in only one day. Thank you, Andy, for the £45 a year you're going to save us. Jesus Christ, man, do you not understand how bad the cost of living crisis is? £45 a fucking year is not even £1 a week. And £1 buys you bollock all these days. If that is your big fucking plan, then this country is in real shit. I also worry about the people who, like me, are on disability benefits, because you're saying you're paying for the cost of this wonderful saving of £45 a year on average. With the digital ID money, well, that was never costed apparently, so where's the money going to come from, mate? Because I know damn well you're not going to start charging more tax on the wealthy, because, whoa, that's hands off. So I reckon you're going after the disabled again, aren't you? Trying to take our benefits away even though we deserve them, even though we are treated like fucking criminals to get them. So, Andy Burnham, you are not the fucking second coming. You are not some kind of saviour. You're a fucking wanker. And you didn't even do what is most popular to the British public. And it would have cost you fuck all. And that is cut ties with Israel. Sanction them. Stop selling them arms. And call a fucking genocide a fucking genocide. But no. Your big plan is to cut VAT on energy bills, which is only going to save people 45 quid a fucking year. Now, if you're going to do something that saved us 45 quid a week, that might help. But you're not helping the cost of living crisis. You're not throwing people a lifeline with this, albeit still welcome, but it's nothing. It is a drop in the ocean of the cost of living crisis, and you think you should be hailed as a fucking saviour. No. And I've said so on your Facebook page. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give us the thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, then click the like and the subscribe button and the notification bell. And if you really want to piss off Andy Burnham on his first couple of days as PM, why not share this video? And I hope to see you again soon.